Hello friends, in this video I will talk about the steps which are required for installing this Big IP Virtual Edition on your laptop or workstation so that you can practice. It used to be very easy in past, but nowadays it is creating some problems in Windows environment. I will talk about that. First thing is that minimum of 4 GB RAM is required, but preference should be more than 8 GB. The reason is that one instance of this virtual edition will need 4 GB of RAM, and on the top of it you would need servers like S1, S2, S3. So you will also need to allocate some memory to these. So it'll need more RAM. And in case you are thinking to do lab on high availability, then the instances will be 2. Means 8 GB will be required by your big IP virtual editions. Alright. Prefer this quad core processor. Dual core may not be able to handle the load. Nowadays every workstation comes with quad core, so there is no issue from this point of view. Make sure that the hardware configuration of your workstation is good, else you may end up losing the workstation like I did. But anyways, third thing, I'm gonna use this F5 virtual edition on my Apple Mac. Okay, but you can try it on Linux and Ubuntu as well. The reason is that I'm not very good in this Linux and Ubuntu, so I didn't try for it, but you can. And this Windows editions, if you have home editions, then it will work. But if you have professional edition or if you have enterprise, then you will get some error. Let me talk about those errors. Actually, what happened, Windows introduced some updates in 2019 October. After that, this big IP started giving errors. How? Actually, we need VMware Workstation. VMware Workstation is a software that we need to install on Windows to be able to run this big IP software. But the moment we start this big IP software or operating system, it says that VMware is incompatible with Hyper-V. So Hyper-V is Microsoft's own virtual environment. It is similar to VMware. Okay, so the trick was that we disable this Hyper-V, we disable the device guard, we disable credential guard, but even then it keeps on giving the same error that VMware is not compatible with Hyper-V, so disable it. So some people made changes in the registry file and removed the update, so it worked for them. But after that, Microsoft introduced a lot of updates, so it is not possible for us to remove all updates. I tried the 2012 operating system of Windows as well as 19, but it is still giving the same error. Okay, the alternative was that we use Hyper-V. Hyper-V is similar to this VMware, but there are not many documentations for big IP on Hyper-V. So I tried actually, but it was giving very weird errors which was not possible for me to resolve. So Hyper-V didn't work for me. If it works for you, please let me know as well. So what I've done is I'm going to use Apple Mac. Okay, I have 8 GB of RAM and good processor. I will tell you the steps. Okay, point number 4. We need to install VMware Workstation or VMware Fusion. See, Fusion is specifically for Mac and Workstation is for rest of the operating systems like Linux, Ubuntu, Windows. Okay, so you can choose to install and it is free for 30 days. After that, you have to download this operating system of Big IP LTM from this website. See, I will show you how to download in the next lecture. It is free. You should have the login ID password to download this. You may create it, it may take some time, but if you already have it, It's very easy, but it's a very heavy file. Then you need to have licenses. Licenses are free for 30 days. You can request for licenses from this website. I'll show you. It's very easy. They'll issue you within 5 minutes. And if you are looking to use two instances, then you can request for two licenses, like for high availability, wherein you will use two LTMs. I will show everything to you, like how to download, how to install it. But remember that these licenses are free for 30 days. But you can request for extension. Means you can ask for new licenses. So everything will be done in the next lab. It is just that I wanted to tell you some steps for this installation. The main thing is your hardware should be capable. Second is the operating system which is running on hardware. Then virtualized environment using VMware Workstation Pro or Fusion. Then this operating system of Big IP. Then this license. And also remember that you can host this LTM on cloud as well, like Microsoft Azure or AWS. You can do it. But since I wanted to teach, so I am using it on my own Mac laptop. Okay. And one last thing about this Hyper-V, it is very powerful virtualized environment, in fact functionality. The complete Microsoft Azure cloud is hosted on this Hyper-V. So basically what Microsoft wants, it wants people to use Hyper-V, not the VMware. But since I could not succeed in this, so I'm not using it. If it works for you, please update everyone, including me. So I hope it's been informative to you. Do give me appropriate rating and feedback. Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate it.